Drop in. Let's go. Come on, D.
They're not very good stick handlers. They're not very good at all.
Come on, defense.
Those two little guys,
That's
3
it.
and
Stay
13,
with
they
him.
do a lot of running, but they don't handle the stick very well.
Come on now. Come on. There we go. Good D. Good defense, White. Keep it up. Keep the pressure on, guys.
Put him on his other hand.
No shots. Whoa. Whoa.
Push on the goalie.
There's no flag.
Push on the
They just had their
goal.
arms up. Yeah. They did throw flag.
There you go. Keep him that way. Keep him that way.
That's right. Keep him out.
There we
Come on,
go.
D.
Shut him
There we
down.
go.
Shut him down.
Good job, bud. Good defense. Come on. Yeah.
Break, break.
Woo. Woo. Was it Austin? No.
No. I think it was way back.